When you first approach the 2026 Hyundai IONIQ 5N, its presence is immediately striking. The bold parametric grille, flanked by sleek, angular LED headlights, gives the front fascia a sharp, purposeful expression that clearly signals this is not your typical electric crossover. From the side, the coupe-like roofline and sculpted character lines convey a sense of motion even when standing still, while the flared wheel arches and 20-inch performance alloys hint at the dynamic capability that lies beneath. Move around to the rear, and you're greeted by a full-width LED light bar and a subtly aggressive diffuser, reinforcing the car's performance-oriented stance and futuristic personality. Step inside, and the interior continues that theme with a wide, horizontal digital display seamlessly integrating driver information and info. The cabin feels both high-tech and welcoming, with sport-oriented bucket seats wrapped in premium unspecific materials, accented stitching, and soft ambient lighting that enhances the driver-centric layout. The steering wheel sits perfectly in your hands, ergonomically designed with intuitive controls and the N logo front and center, reminding you that this is a car built for engagement. Beyond the cabin, the 2026 IONIQ 5N delivers a compelling vision of electric performance. Its dual-motor powertrain offers instantaneous torque, translating into responsive acceleration that feels both thrilling and controlled. The adaptive suspension and untuned chassis give you confidence through corners, while multiple driving modes allow you to tailor the experience from composed and comfortable to sharp and aggressive. Hyundai's attention to detail extends to every touch point, from the Illumina sport pedals to the precise stitching across the cabin, creating a cohesive sense of purpose and refinement. Overall, the IONIQ 5N represents a bold step forward for electric performance vehicles. It doesn't just promise speed and technology, it makes you feel connected to the car and the road. For anyone looking for an EV that combines cutting-edge style, certainly inviting you to experience what a true performance EV can feel like.